Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add sound effects from the content library in Clipchamp to your videos. So this is a great feature to be familiar with, especially if you don't have a premium subscription or collection of any audio effects or music. So Clipchamp makes this really easy to use for anybody for free, and the best part is you don't have to do a lot of digging to sort through it. So to get started, I have Clipchamp open here with a short clip on my timeline. And let's say I want to add some audio effects to enhance the video. We go ahead and watch the video for a second to get a feeling of what we want to add. So that's how it looks like. I just kind of slapped together some effects, but I'm thinking I could add some audio to the transition and to the zoom in just to get the viewers a little bit more engaged, for example. So let's navigate over to the content library here on the left hand side of our screen, and you're going to see a lot of options here. As you can see, it's not limited to just audio. You also have some visuals that you can add to your videos like stickers, annotations, and etc. So we're interested in audio. So we want to go ahead and click on audio, and we want to filter our search results a little. So if you go on here and click on the small arrow beside the audio, you can see there are two other options. You have your music and you have your sound effects. So let's go ahead and click on sound effects. And there are a bunch of categories to choose from. So in this case, I'm thinking something for the transition. So there's probably a swoosh sound effect or something around here. So go ahead and scroll down. Here we go, bell swoosh. That might be what we're looking for. Not exactly. There we go. That sounds a bit more of what I had in mind. How about this one? Oh, this one sounds pretty appropriate as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this plus button to add to the timeline. So it adds it to where your cursor or playhead is, right in the timeline. But I'm going to move it over because I didn't have it set to exactly where it needed to be. So sort of a pro tip is to line up the peak of your sound effect with the visual effect and not necessarily exactly where it starts and ends. So if we go ahead and watch this over, that's what it looks like. And then I also want to add a little something for the first zoom in here, maybe sort of a click. Not exactly what I'm looking for. I'm gonna go ahead and go to another category real quick. Maybe something with machines and camera sound. There we go. This sounds pretty appropriate. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the timeline as well. And as you can see, the video feels a bit more engaging, especially with the sound effects synced up properly. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.